Hi everyone. Today we'll be learning how to install Microsoft Copilot. Please note that Microsoft Copilot is currently accessible to limited members from Microsoft. To begin the installation process, follow these steps. Open your web browser and navigate to code.visualstudio.com. Once you're on the Visual Studio Code website, click on Extensions. In the Extensions Marketplace, use the search box and type Copilot. Look for the GitHub Copilot extension. You can identify it by the GitHub Copilot logo. Click on the extension and you'll find an option for a free trial. GitHub Copilot is an AI assistant designed to help with programming tasks. Additionally, you have the option to purchase Microsoft 365. This ensures that you can access any updates for Microsoft Copilot when they become available to the public. That's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Copilot on your Visual Studio Code. Now you can take advantage of its powerful features. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Bye for now.